All right. You guys want a shop update? You guys want a project update? Want to talk about things? All right. Let's talk about some things. Mr. F250 HighBoy. How we doing? Okay, so we got materials coming in. We got products lining up. Tools on the table, parts on the floor. And we're playing the game of Rust Be Gone. So this is the bottom side of some of the front cowl pieces, the front clip pieces. These were really rusty underneath on the back side of them. So I've taken all my stuff and knocked all the scale out of it, and then we're prepping it up to be encapsulated underneath on the bottom side. The top side looks halfway decent, so I might just spot treat it. Same thing with this. It had some wows in the metal. This is the piece that goes right behind the front bumper, between the grill and the front bumper. So it had, it had some wow action in it and a couple other dents and whatnot. But I've got it pretty much beat out and cleaned up. Core support, it's all done pretty much. I just got to do a final scuff and clean on it, and it's ready to be shot. I took care of all the rust holes, got it welded up, got it ground down. There's a little patch panel there. Hole went away there. As you can see, we don't have a lot of room, so you guys get a close video today. And that's where you guys seen where it was all rotted out and nasty. That's what we got going on now. So I'm pretty happy with all that. That's in the bottom of the core support, so nobody will ever see it. I'm not going to spend a bunch of time on it. It's just a pickup truck. As long as it holds up and doesn't rot out, that's what we're looking for. I spent just another half hour in the bed yesterday, final touching all the little spots that I didn't get before. And this is pretty much ready to be. So what are we going to do? We're going to get down in here and we're going to brush the seams first. And we're going to encapsulate the whole thing. Then we're going to seam seal it. Then we're going to bed line it. I've got one of the bed liner kits here. It's going to take between this bed and the inside of this cab. It's going to take it more than a gallon. So I ordered 2 kits. First kit's here. Second kit will be here today or tomorrow. And then I'm going to encapsulate the bed sides, the inside, and the front. I'll hit this cab here and the roof section and prep the firewall. That takes care of that. One of the fenders over here is the original fender, and it's in good shape. So is the hood, and it doesn't have actually a lot of work to do on the underneath side of it, so I'm just basically going to run around, prep it, and then it'll get painted body color. This will be prepped, and then I have a new fender in this box right here, and then I have the new inner fenders laying on the floor right here. So these will be the next loose pieces that I get my hands on. I'm going to prep those to be coated. I'm kind of biting off a lot right now, as far as like how much to shoot all at one time, so I might break this stuff up. But the moral of the story is the inside and out on the bed, core support, front piece, these 2 pieces for the hood and grill, the 2 inner fenders. There's some brackets on the old inner fenders and the hood hinges. Those are all going to get done in black. Then all this will get seam sealed. So you guys saw in an earlier video, a sneak peek. So all that stuff needs to be seam sealed. And this stuff. And then we'll prep this bottom for bed liner. Prep that for bed liner. And the front of this firewall from the seam down is going to get shot in black, and then from the seam up this will all be body color, so that's body color right here with where the hood meets it. And then when you open the hood, you'll have a black hood hinge, black inner fender, and then blue hood, and then blue upper cowl, and then black black around here, black around the cowl, black around all of that, and then we'll clean the motor up, make it stand out, and I think that'll be real good contrast. So like I said, I've got materials coming and stuff stacking up, so we're kind of at that point where we're just finding the last little things to make sure that we didn't miss anything, and then pretty much all this stuff's going to get shoved off the cliff and we'll be ready to go for primer and paint. The body, as far as the metalwork is concerned, I've pretty much tinged the whole truck now, so there's not really a lot of metalwork and body work. We just pretty much sand it down and paint it, throw some skim coats on some of the low spots, knock those off, reprime it, prep it for paint. I know it sounds like a lot, but with all the work that we pretty much did all the hard stuff, and if you do all the hard stuff first, then it just gets easier and easier as you go. So I appreciate you guys' support on this one. I know I've been inconsistent and infrequent on video updates and picture updates, and especially YouTube videos. Some of you guys caught that I hurt myself here a little bit ago, so I've got pretty hurt back. I got some arthritis and some disc issue things going on, much like many of us in the automotive industry do. Made it till I was 40, but now I'm starting to suffer the consequences of getting older and putting a whole lifetime into this stuff. So your guys' motivation and support means the world to me, as always, and as I will continue. So anyway, thanks for being here, guys. Hope you're still following the project. I did stop filming full episodes right around the time that I finished up the floor pans, but I am still picturing everything, and then I'm going to get on doing these shop updates back again for you guys, because you guys seem to like those. So anyway, if you could drop me a comment or a like, let me know how I'm doing. I'm going to kind of try and find my niche here going forward between my injury, my projects, my content, and all that kind of stuff. So if you guys want to have some influence or some weight in it, because I know you guys have been here for a long time, just let me know. Shoot me a PM, drop me a comment, hit me a like. I'm going to get after this thing. Shop's starting to warm up. We'll see how much of this bed we can get done by the end of the week. So, appreciate you guys. Hope you guys are having a good time. Talk at you later. Take care.